Hello little chess champs. Not every chess game has a winner. Sometimes it ends in a draw. Let's learn the way this can happen and how to make the most of the situation. So number one will be perpetual check. What it is? This happens when one player keeps checking the other king repeatedly and there is no way to stop it. The game does not progress, so it is declared as a draw. If you are stuck in perpetual check, don't worry, it is better to draw than a lose. So second end of draw will be stalemate. So what it is? Stalemate happen when one player has no legal move left, but their king is not in check. When this occurs, the game immediately a draw. Be careful when you are close to winning. Make sure your opponent has moves left unless you are delivering a checkmate. So the third option will be not having enough material. Sometimes there are not enough pieces left to force a checkmate. For example, king versus king, king versus king and knight versus king, or king and bishop versus king. In these cases, it is impossible to checkmate, so the game ends in a draw. Keep your pawn and pieces safe. Losing them early might make it impossible to win later. And advanced draw scenarios are there, so that will be like a threefold repetition. If the same position happened 3 times during the game, either player can claim a draw. And 50 move rules are there. If 50 moves go by without a pawn move or a capture, the game is draw. So when the draw happens, the king cannot be checkmated. One player has no legal move but is not in check, that is stalemate. Then there are not enough pieces to deliver checkmate. And the fourth one will be special rules like threefold repetition or 50 move rule apply. So always aim for checkmate and remember a draw is still a fair result and a great learning opportunity. Now you know how chess can end in a draw. Keep practicing little chess champs and turn these draws into win. Happy learning.